looks so good. Oh my gosh, it smells amazing. Alright, so here's some of the stuff that you're gonna need. So we have bacon right here. You can choose any kind of bacon that you like. The three kinds of cheese that I'm gonna use is cheddar, mozzarella, and this is actually a Swiss and Gruyere blend, so I'm gonna use that too. And then we're gonna use 4 cups of milk. I have 1%. We're gonna use 4 tablespoons of butter, salt and pepper to taste, 4 tablespoons of flour, and then 1 pound of the type of pasta that you like. So I liked rotini, and some bay leaves if you have them. It's great snacking. I might finish all of it. We get started on the cheese sauce. So, I'm gonna grab this, turn that on. I'm gonna turn it on a low medium because I'm gonna put 4 tablespoons of butter in there and I don't want it to burn. I'm gonna melt this butter down. Make sure it's at low heat so you don't burn the butter. And then once it's all melted, we're gonna add 4 tablespoons of flour in here. Okay. Now that it's pretty much melted, I'm gonna add 4 tablespoons of flour in here. And this is gonna create a roux. Another reason you want it to be on a low temperature is so that you don't burn the flour either. Alright, now we're gonna add the 4 cups of milk in here. But we're gonna add it slowly and incorporate it as we go. Little by little. Turn it up a bit. More cheese in here because it's not cheesy enough. Cheese sauce is ready. It's thick and creamy. Okay, so I checked the pasta again. And it was ready, so I removed the bay leaves and we strained it. And now I'm gonna add salt and pepper to the cheese sauce. So I'm just gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt. And then I'm gonna add some black pepper to it. You wanna add maybe like 1/4 of a teaspoon. I'm just gonna eyeball it. Alright, that's good. Look how thick and creamy that looks. Alright, now I'm going to add the pasta in there. Oops, and my oven's ready. Perfect timing. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Thick and creamy. Mac and cheese. Now we're going to put it in the casserole dish. In you go. Now we're adding the bacon to it. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. I can't wait. the longest 20 minutes of my life. It's ready. Oh, that smells so good. You can smell the bacon and the cheese and everything together. Oh my gosh, yes. Get a little bit more. Looks so good. Oh my gosh, it smells amazing. Okay, now for the taste test. Ooh, okay, so gotta make sure you get some bacon in there and some parsley. I always burn my mouth when I do this. Oh my god. That's the best mac and cheese ever. So good. I think this is the best one I've made. But I've only made it like 3 times, so. But it's the best one. It's really good.